Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordvio English Tips. Today's video is about improving your daily routine. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve English through slow listening and easy vocabulary. This practice will help you improve listening skills, vocabulary, speaking confidence, daily English understanding. Listen carefully. Read slowly. Repeat after me. Let's begin. A daily routine is the way we organize our day. Every person has different habits and activities. Some people wake up early, while others wake up late. A good daily routine helps us stay healthy, active, and productive. It also helps reduce stress and improve time management. Improving your daily routine does not mean changing everything at once. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Good habits improve our physical health, mental health, and confidence. When we follow a positive routine every day, life becomes more organized and peaceful. The first step to improving your daily routine is waking up early. Many successful people start their day early because mornings are calm and fresh. Waking up early gives you more time to plan your day. You can exercise, study, meditate, or enjoy a quiet morning before work or school. After waking up, it is important to drink water. Water helps your body feel fresh and active. Many people also like to do light exercise or stretching in the morning. Exercise improves energy and keeps the body healthy. Even a short walk can make you feel better and more positive. Breakfast is another important part of the day. A healthy breakfast gives energy for work and study. Some people eat fruits, eggs, bread, or oatmeal in the morning. Eating healthy food helps improve concentration and mood. Planning your day is also a useful habit. You can write a small to-do list every morning. This helps you remember important tasks and use your time wisely. Completing tasks one by one gives a feeling of success and motivation. Many people spend too much time on mobile phones and social media. While technology is useful, too much screen time can reduce focus and productivity. Try to limit unnecessary phone usage and spend more time on useful activities like reading, learning, or exercising. Reading books is an excellent habit. Reading improves vocabulary, knowledge, and imagination. Even reading for 15 or 20 minutes daily can improve your thinking and communication skills. You can read storybooks, self-improvement books, or simple English articles. Learning new skills is also important for personal growth. Some people learn cooking, photography, video editing, or communication skills. Others learn English or computer skills. Continuous learning helps people grow and feel confident about the future. Taking short breaks during work or study is also necessary. Breaks help the mind relax and improve focus. During breaks, you can walk, stretch, drink water, or take deep breaths. This keeps your mind fresh and active. Another important habit is keeping your room and workspace clean. A clean environment improves focus and creates a peaceful feeling. Organized surroundings also save time and reduce stress. Good communication is part of a healthy routine too. Spend time with family and friends. Talk politely and listen carefully. Positive conversations improve relationships and emotional health. Sleep is also very important. Many people sleep late because of phones, movies, or social media. However, good sleep improves memory, mood, and energy. Try to sleep at the same time every night. A healthy sleep routine helps the body and mind recover. Improving your routine also means avoiding negative habits. Habits like laziness, procrastination, and negative thinking can stop personal growth. Try to stay positive and focused on your goals. Remember, you do not need to become perfect in one day. Improvement is a slow process. Small daily habits create big results over time. If you improve just 1% every day, your future will become much better. Consistency is more important than perfection. Many people start good habits, but stop after a few days. The key is to continue even when you feel tired or unmotivated. Discipline helps people achieve success. A good daily routine improves not only productivity, but also happiness. When you manage your time well, you feel more confident and less stressed. Healthy habits create a balanced and meaningful life. In the end, improving your daily routine is one of the best ways to improve your life. Wake up early, eat healthy food, manage your time, learn new things, and stay positive. Small daily actions will slowly change your future in a powerful way. Great job! You completed this slow English listening and vocabulary practice. Listen again for better understanding. Practice daily for fluency. Use these habits in real life. Also watch our old videos for more English practice. Like the video. Comment, daily routine. Subscribe to Wordvio English Tips. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing.